Do you know that according to industry reports, browse abandonment for an e-commerce business is between 50 to 70%? What is your browse abandonment rate? Or what is a browse abandonment rate in the first place? In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of what browse abandonment really means and how to use Google Analytics to minimize your browse abandonment so that small businesses can benefit. My name is Chandan and I am a Salesforce and HubSpot business automation consultant. I have come across browse abandonment as one of the most important metric for business success, but it's often ignored because businesses have no clue how to address it. And yes, wait till the end. I have an amazing and highly successful tip for you to reduce your browse abandonment rate to minimum. Let's dive deep into knowing what and why it happens and what are the metrics you should look for in Google Analytics when trying to address browse abandonment rate. So to start with, a browse abandonment rate refers to a situation where a visitor to a website or an online store views a product or pages but leaves the site without any interaction. It's a common term used in the context of e-commerce, online retail, or general website visits. Unlike cart abandonment, where a user adds item to their shopping cart but doesn't complete the purchase, browse abandonment is different because it occurs earlier in the customer journey. It happens when someone is simply browsing products or looking at different pages and then exits the site without taking any further action. So it's more like they came to the website and they left. So here are the reasons which I would like to discuss with you. The reason number one is wrong targeting. It is possible that if you are using Google Ads or maybe some kind of display ads, the targeting is wrong. So the user who is coming to the website or the visitor who is coming to the website is not the relevant visitor. Reason number two, the lack of interest. The visitor might not find what they are looking for or may lose interest during the browsing process, even if the browsing and the visitors are relevant. Reason number three, comparison shopping. Visitors might be comparing prices or features across different websites. Reason number four, distractions. External factors or distractions can lead to user to leave the site before making a purchase. Reason number five, user experience issues. Complicated navigation, slow website speed, or a lack of user-friendly features can contribute to browse abandonment. Reason number six, research stage of customer journey. Some visitors might be in the early stage of researching a product or service and they are not ready to make a purchase yet. So here you will get some time from them, but probably not any transaction, and they would just leave. Reason number seven, price concerns. High prices or unexpected costs can discourage users from making a purchase or even from browsing the website further. So businesses often use strategies to address browse abandonment, such as retargeting ads, personalized recommendations, and email campaigns to re-engage users and encourage them to return to the website to complete a purchase. Understanding the reason behind browse abandonment can help businesses optimize their website and marketing efforts to improve the overall customer experience and increase the conversion rates. So after we have discussed reasons of browse abandonment, so now let's talk about how you can use Google Analytics to know about browse abandonment rate so that you can think about different strategies to fix it. So in Google Analytics, you can use data points and reports to gain insight into browse abandonment. Here are some key data points and features that can help you understand user behavior during the browsing process. To start with, number one is the behavior flow report. You can create a behavior flow report. This report shows the path users take through the website, indicating where they enter, what pages they visit, and where they exit. By analyzing this flow, you can identify common drop-off points and potential areas for improvement. Number two is page views. Track the number of page views for specific pages or categories on your website. The sudden drop in page views or a particular page may indicate a point where users are leaving. You can also look at the time spent on a particular page. Analyze the average time users spend on specific pages. A low average time on a page might suggest that users are not finding what they are looking for or that the content needs improvement. Event tracking. Set up event tracking to monitor specific user interactions on your site, such as clicks on buttons, product images, or other elements. Events can provide insights into user engagement and help identify elements that attract or deter the users. Custom segments. Create custom segments to analyze the behavior of specific user groups. For example, you can create a segment for users who viewed certain products but did not proceed to checkout. Next is site search data. If your website has a site search option, then analyze site search data to understand what users are really looking for. High search activity followed by exits might indicate that users are not finding relevant products or services or the information they are looking for. Exit pages report. This report can be really interesting. Identify the pages where users most frequently exit your website. High exit rate on specific pages could signify a potential issue on content that needs improvement. So there you have it, all the areas in Google Analytics where you can look at reducing the browser abandonment rate, or at least the most important areas. And here is the bonus tip for you, the tip to reduce your browser abandonment. So you might have seen the pop-up that appears when you try to close a window or leave a website. It's called an exit intent pop-up window. You can implement this on your website for free and many other types of pop-ups. This is a feature which is available in HubSpot free version. You can use it to make a free ebook download when a visitor is closing the window, or if you do not have an ebook, you can just ask to subscribe to your list. This has a really good conversion rate. You can use this list later to initiate any kind of communication or a newsletter. Just click on the link in the description and get your HubSpot account. Comment to know how to activate it. That's all for the browser abandonment topic. Please like the video if it helped you. See you again in my next video. Cheers.